Alright, for this left spat, you're probably thinking, what the fuck? Problem I have is I need the mount for my mud flaps. There's like a mount. You can see it goes underneath there. I need that bolted in, and I can't reach that damn thing for anything. I bought an axle back anyway, so I just undid the 2 bolts and removed the exhaust hanger and took the exhaust out to do this side. There might be a better way to do this, but seeing as I'm putting an axle back on anyway, I mean, I could reach all the way in here, all the way down to that point. So I put a drill hole there, I put one there, and I'll show you the rest of the points once I'm finished with this side. But if you have any recommendations other than taking out the exhaust, let me know, because yeah, I'm kind of shocked too.